What's up, guys? So my name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the spring quarterly box from Nomadik. So this one is titled Spring Shelter. This is the size box that it comes in. You can see that Nomadik logo there. So these are quarterly boxes. They come 4 boxes per year, and it will run you, let me get to my cheat sheet, $150 will get this box. Now they say it's over a $200 value, and the last day that you can go in and make a purchase to get this box is April either 14th or 15th is the last day that you can subscribe to the quarterly box and get this box. So we're gonna dive in, see what's in here, but this is called Spring Shelter. Now the quarterly boxes, like I said, there's 4 of them per year, and they are themed with the season. So this one's for spring. So let's check out what we got. So we're going to be using the Gear Aid Bury knife, if it'll focus. This did come in one of my Nomadik boxes. Thoroughly love this knife. It has been everywhere with me, and I love it. I did a review of it, so if you want to see the review, I'll put a card up top and you can go check that video out, one side or the other. I don't remember what side, but the Gear Aid Bury, B-U-R-I knife, field knife. So really awesome knife. So let's get it back in its sheath without cutting myself. Now, let's take a peek and see if we can find the pamphlet. So every box, whether it's a monthly box or a quarterly box, comes with one of these pamphlets. Now this is called Spring Shelter. That's the title of the theme of the box. Inside this pamphlet you get, and my pup followed me out here, so he's rummaging around, but inside here you have a list of everything that's in the box. Looks like we have 7 items in this box. You have tips that relate to the theme. You also have a Nomadik challenge. On the back side, you have a link. Now, I will have a link in the description below for Nomadik, and then you'll have some brand discounts that usually relate to the brands that are in the box. So, I'm gonna try to, if I can figure out what they are without having to go to that, I'm gonna do it, but that's gonna be my cheat sheet. All right, so let's see what we have. So just off the top, we have from Lander. It is a rechargeable compact lantern, the Carn Mini Lantern. So it's waterproof, IP65 rated, dimming with a strobe mode, 100-hour light runtime, and a multi-axis tether for hanging. Okay, so you've got a tether there that you can hang, and you can hang it however you need to. So that's pretty cool. We will do follow-up video on this to see how well. Does it come with a charge? Doesn't come with a charge, so we'll have to charge this up and come back with a full review. This looks like something would be perfect for hammock camping, something like that. Be able to hang it under your shelter. Let's see, camp carabiner from Gear Aid, easily hang gear at camp. So you got this right here. It bites on to a ridge line or a taut line. So like a ridge line under your hammock if you are a hammock camper, and it swivels, it says. So, okay, so it swivels. And so you lock that on and you can slide it up and down however you want to. And you have a carabiner at the bottom where you can hook stuff. So pretty cool. I love Gear Aid products. Gear Aid has always had really awesome products. Nomadik always gets Gear Aid products, and they are really good. That knife we opened this box with, it's Gear Aid. So there you go. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. Silky, what is this? Folding saw. All right, let's see. Made in Japan, comes in this hard case. That's kind of cool. So Silky Pocket Boy 130. Check that out. Check those teeth out on that thing. This is awesome. So you have your pocket saw, good rubber grip here with a lanyard hole. You can lock it in 2 positions. I like this. Comes with this hard case too, so you can, it's got a clip on it, so you can make this hook it onto your belt, or hang it, whatever you need to do. But that is pretty cool. It looks like it only goes in here one way, locks in. So the Silky Pocket Boy Professional folding saw. So pretty awesome there. Hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Let's see, taut line kit. So we have a line kit. You got, how many feet is this? Does it tell me? Doesn't tell me how many feet this is, but it is 50 foot. 50 foot of 550 paracord with 2 lashing ends on there, so you don't have to worry about knots. You just do like figure 8 kind of thing. So there's that. We'll have to come back and do a review on this as well. So Gear 8 again, I'm telling you, Gear 8 has some really good stuff. There's our sticker for this box. And I'm saving the 2 big things I see in here for last. So we've got another box of the Yuko Stormproof Match Kit. These are awesome to have. I mean, I've got them everywhere. So in here you get waterproof matches in a waterproof case with an O-ring. You get tinder, you get storm matches. So, and your striker is on the outside. So really awesome. Get these in a lot of boxes, but you can never go wrong with throwing these in a lot of different places. All right, let me set my box down. We have 2 more things to look at. One being trileg stool from Alps Mountaineering. Now, I love these kind of stools. I ended up buying one for hiking. This weighs in at 2 pounds. I bought one for hiking, and I've carried it on 1 trip and thoroughly loved it. It gave me a chance to sit without having to worry about anything. Honestly, I could sit at camp. I could sit on the side of the trail if I wanted to take a break. And these Alps Mountaineering is a really good brand. This comes in the carry bag. You have Velcro here, and they just swivel out and lock. And so you've got nylon straps here that keep it from flexing too much. It's all done on this pivot point here. You've got a strap there if you need to carry it without the carry bag. But these are really awesome chairs. I love them. I actually keep one in my toolbox on my truck. So yes, these are awesome. And again, it's from a good brand. Alps Mountaineering is a really good brand. And so yes, quality chair. It gets locked up like that and it's not going anywhere. So if you needed to carry it, you can unhook this here and you've got an adjustable strap to throw over your shoulder. If you're not taking it camping, you're taking it to the ball game. Boom, you got a chair. And then last, we have Hence Spring Shelter. We have Exploria Supply Company all-weather tarp, all-weather shelter. So it shows all different ways on the packaging that you can set this up. It is a little over, it's 9.5 inches wide, or 9.5 feet wide on one side, and 9 foot 8 inches wide the other way. Weighs in at 30 ounces. So let's see here. It's got 9-point anchor system, comes with 6 ground stakes with 8 reflective paracord tensioners, waterproof, sun protection, and yes, 210T ripstop polyester. There you go. So we will have to test this bad boy out. I'll show you some ways to set this bad boy up, but an all-weather shelter is never bad to have. Definitely part of your spring shelter system. So there you go. This is an awesome quarterly box. You have until April 14th or 15th to place your order on a quarterly box and you will get this gear. I'm pretty convinced this is over $200 worth of gear, but I'll try to look this stuff up and put it in the description. Either way, there is a link to Nomadik in the description. You can get over there and check them out. But the quarterly box, they are awesome. I've only gotten one. This is my second one. Nomadik does send me these to test out and open up for you guys. So this is my second quarterly box that I've gotten. The other one was probably about springtime last year, and no, maybe fall. And really awesome items. Love everything that I get for the most part from Nomadik, and the quarterly boxes, they don't disappoint. So get over, check out Nomadik, and yeah, that's all I've got for today, guys. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll throw some other Nomadik videos in the end screen so you can check those out. And yeah, that's all I've got for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.